In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your cash transactions in QuickBooks Online. Accounting can often feel a bit overwhelming, but with the right tools and a clear guide, it becomes much more manageable. QuickBooks is a fantastic tool to keep your financial life organized, and today we're going to dive into making the most of it when recording cash transactions. Let's start by logging in. First, open up your preferred browser and navigate to QuickBooks.Intuit.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your account credentials. If you don't already have a QuickBooks account, you'll need to set one up. But for those who do, go ahead and get signed in. Now that you're logged in, let's talk about the various types of cash transactions you might need to record. They generally fall into one of three categories: sales, expenses, or transfers. For cash sales, you'll be using the sales receipt option. If you've made a cash purchase or payment, you'll use expense. Lastly, for any cash deposits or withdrawals, you'll select either bank deposit or transfer, depending on the nature of the transaction. Let's move on to recording a cash sale. This is straightforward. You'll click on the plus new button in the navigation pane, then select sales receipt. Begin by selecting the customer from your list. If the customer is not yet in your system, you'll need to add their details. Next, you'll enter the date of the transaction and be sure to choose cash as the payment method. Then you can add the products or services sold. Once everything looks good, go ahead and save the sales receipt. Now let's jump to recording a cash expense. Once again, click plus new, but this time select expense. Here, you'll need to choose the payee, which is the vendor or person you paid. Ensure that you have a cash account set up in your chart of accounts, as you'll select this as your payment account. Then fill in the transaction date, the amount paid, and the appropriate expense category. Once all the information is input correctly, save the expense. Next, we'll tackle recording cash deposits. Click on plus new and choose bank deposit. In this section, you'll select the bank account where the cash was deposited. Under the Add Funds to this deposit section, make certain to choose Cash as your source. Enter the amount, along with any other relevant details, and hit Save to record the deposit. Finally, let's go through setting up a cash account if you don't already have one. Start by clicking the gear icon in QuickBooks and go to Chart of Accounts. From here, click on the New option. You'll be prompted to select an account type. You can either choose bank or other current asset depending on how you wish to classify it. Name the account something relevant like cash on hand and then hit save. And there you have it. With all these steps, you'll be well on your way to handling your cash transactions in QuickBooks Online like a pro. Thanks for tuning in and happy bookkeeping.